Why does trading look like gambling to 90% of the people who lose? Okay, why does trading look like gambling to the 90% of people who lose? And the reason is really simple. The gambler trades a big amount of money relative to the capital they have. They think they're in some kind of mad rush to make lots of money. The professional trader, such as myself, we know we're in it for the long term. Of course we do. It's our job. We know we're in it for the rest of our lives up until retirement. Well, guess what? People never retire from making money. Warren Buffett hasn't retired, and neither has George Soros, and they're in the 80s and 90s, okay? The point is, because we look at the long term, we don't make big money trades relative to capital. We're not gambling. Gamblers make a few big trades. Traders don't. We're not going to go all in on a few trades. We know we're in it for the long term, so we make smaller positions, smaller sizes, smaller trades. A gambler steps in front of market reaction, trying to guess the news. You are not here in the business of trying to guess the news. Okay, we do not want to be trying to guess the news because that is gambling. Go to Ladbrokes if that's what you want to do. Gamblers, unlike traders, add to losing positions. When they see a loss, what they do is psychologically, they say to themselves, oh, I don't want a loss. I know, I'll add to the losing position on the basis that my break-even point will reduce, and therefore I need to move up a little bit more. But guess what? They're throwing good money after bad. Even worse, because they've got a losing position, the way they do mental accounting is they will take small profits on their profitable positions, which might have gone up and up and up and up. So the good quality trades they have, they cut short, they get rid of. In other words, they sell their good assets in order to plow money into their bad trades. And in the end, guess what? They run out of money. That's what they do. If you've done it, put your hands up. I'm sure you have. What a gambler also does is they start big, like I said, and they take small profits instead of starting small and letting their profits run. A gambler will often have no stop losses because they can't bear the thought of having any loss, or the stop loss will be so far away because psychologically they hate taking losses. And a gambler will trade so large that even after a string of 3 losses, their account size will be down 10 to 50%. It's a quick way to tell if you're a gambler or not. If you had 3 consecutive losing trades, would you be down 10 to 50%? If you would, you're a gambler, you're not a trader.